Hi guys, it's me Eshita and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create this intense black smoky eye. Also, I will tell you several tips and tricks so that you can create this look very easily. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. But before that, make sure you are subscribed to my channel and hit the bell button so whenever I post a new video you will get notified. So now without any bakor, let's start. I'm starting with my brows, and for that I'm using my favorite Wet n Wild brow kit. To clean up the brow and prep my lid, I am using Swiss Beauty Concealer in the shade Medium Beige. With Fit Me Compact Powder, I will set my concealer and I am in the shade Sun Beige. First, I am taking this peachy brown shade with a blending brush and I will blend this color above my crease line. Next, I will take this dark brown shade and I will place the color slightly below than the previous color. Blend it very nicely because blending is the most important thing in any kind of smoky eye look. With a small blending brush, I am taking this black color and I will blend this through my crease line. Blending a black color eyeshadow sometimes become a nightmare, so keep patience and go slow. And first diffuse the color to your crease line. Now as a black base, I will use this pack gel liner. You can use any kind of gel liner or kohl pencil or any jumbo pencil, whichever you have. This step will make the black more intense. Now with the black shadow, I will top this liner and blend it very nicely. In my waterline, I am using K Beauty Kajal pencil, and with this I will do a tight line also. With a pencil brush, I will use this brown shade to my lower lash line. I will use some black shadow to intensify the look. With this shimmery shade, I will highlight my brow bone and inner corner. After curling the lashes, I will use a mascara, and for that I'm using Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. So that is it. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section which type of video you want to see in the future, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care, be safe, and bye bye.